This is the pattern for several bias samples that we're doing. For the bias facing piece, cut one out of a taffeta, brocade, something stiff and thin. You don't need any seam allowance around the outside edges, but leave a 1/2 inch on the curved edge. Also cut a 2-inch wide strip of bias that's about 18 inches long. Stay stitch just to the outside of the stitching line. Clip the curve right up to the stay stitch. Mark a line about 1/4 inch from the edge of the bias. Pin the stitching line you just drew on the bias to the stitching line on the inside of your pattern piece, faces together. Trim the seam allowance down to 1/4 inch and press. Top stitch on the folded edge. Give it a good press.